Good morning to one and all present over here, respected sir, and all my dear friends. Today, Idea Joshi is standing over here to tell you about how to love yourself and how to improve yourself. Loving yourself is the foundation for fulfilling your life. We always think that others are having more than us, or the constant we are constantly comparing ourselves to others. We think the grass is greener on the other side. That means we only see their results, that yeah, they have better than us, and that we don't have that much thing. But we didn't see the process that they got, how they got up there. And the world is going to constantly bash you and constantly compare you with others, but you just need to focus on your work. Like, suppose the UP topper Prachi Nigam, she scored 98.50 percentage. She was not praised for how much percentage she scored. Instead, she was bashed about her looks, about her facial hairs, and that shouldn't be the case. How she was bashed, now she has come out and stated that if she wouldn't be a board topper, she wouldn't have been bashed so much. And she thought that I don't want to be a topper, or if I would have few less marks, then she would have been a topper, and she wouldn't be bashed for that. And I think that's really bad for the people to do. And social media is constantly showing you that there is someone better than you. We are constantly comparing ourselves to others, like heroes, or like actors, many, but we don't know how they achieve their looks by plastic surgery or many skin whitening treatments. There are many actresses, those were brown or golden brown in color or honey brown in color, but now they are of white, or their skin tone is very light. We don't know that. We are only seeing the results. We don't know how they got there and how much money they pour into it. There's also a term: you're not ugly, you're just poor, because you don't have that much money to invest on those things. Instead, what I think, you should self improve yourself. You should love yourself. You should think that you are unique, worthy, and deserving of love. And you should always think that yes, I should always improve myself. How to improve yourself? By setting a goal. You can also set that goal in a, you can set a short goal, because long term goal can be can make the person unmotivated, as it will take a long time to achieve that goal. If you make a short goal, that will help you to achieve, and that will motivate you that yes, I need to do better and better. As for the example, I can take my story, that a year ago, I used to weigh 75 kgs, and I used to be bashed a lot in the public, or by my relatives, by my parents, that you don't look good, or you should lose few pounds, or you should lose some weight, or if you why are you wearing those clothes, your thighs are looking so fat, or you're looking so moti. And I used to be called elephant and everything else. But that really hurt a lot. And social media, if I was really conscious how to post myself, I didn't used to post myself above my collars, because, or I used to take only selfies. But later, when I saw, and I really tried, it's not that I didn't try, I tried to lose my weight by doing dieting, but I was not doing exercise. And I didn't have anyone to told me that these are the things that you need to do, or you should do exercise with dieting. That's how you will lose the weight. I didn't have that thing, and started watching the YouTube video, when I thought that yeah, that's the end. I don't want to listen those things, and people to judge me by my looks, or by my they didn't even want to know me. They just take a look at me, and they just think how fat you are. You're an elephant, you're a hippo, and dinosaur too. I used to be called by those names. And those are the things that I thought that yes, I need to stop those things. I need to take these things on my hands. I need to improve myself. That's when I thought that yes, I need to do exercise and dieting. And I did those things by taking short goals, not like yeah, I need to lose 25 kgs in 1 month or 2 months. No, I took small goals, like I need to lose 1 or 2 kgs a month, and that will be a good thing. And the people, I think when you're setting a goal and you have achieved those things, you should also treat yourself with something, really nice to make you feel good and more motivated to do it more and more. And I think when you self improve yourself, or you try to self improve yourself, you can be the person you admire to be, or you can be a healthy version of yourself. Thank you so much for listening to me.
Wonderful.